Hi everyone. Welcome to Easy English Learning. Today, we're learning real-life English you can use in a coffee shop. Have you ever felt nervous when ordering coffee in English? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to order like a native speaker. Let's get started. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Java Cafe. What can I get for you?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like regular milk or oat milk?
Oat milk, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thanks. Your coffee will be ready soon. Have a great day.
You too. Let's look at some important words and phrases from this conversation. I'd like a drink, please. A polite way to order. What size would you like? The barista asks this. Anything else? Means do you want more? That's all. How much is it? A polite way to end the order. Here you go. Say this when giving money. Remember, saying I'd like sounds more polite than I want. Speak politely equals sound like a native. Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I'd like a cappuccino, please. What size would you like? Here you go. Have a great day. Great job. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be. Awesome job. Now you can order coffee in English like a pro. Next time you visit a coffee shop, try using these phrases. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you love coffee. See you next time. Bye.